Hey guys! So I mentioned in another video that when I'm running class, I always keep the my Google Drive open. And the reason for that is just that I just almost always am going to have to send one file or another. And so I at least have it open on my desktop. Sometimes it'll get covered, but I've got it around. And so the main idea, I usually go to my entire Google Drive, but you can go to specifically the VMC folder, which is what you have shared with you. And during class, you're talking to a student and something comes up, or possibly, what we'll do as lead instructors is have you sort of practice this. So we'll say, hey, can you send Chelsea, whatever worksheet, such and such a worksheet. And what you're going to do, in order to make this as quick as possible, so things like this have to happen really, really fast, you're going to go to the VMC folder and you're just going to search. That's all. We're going to try to give you as specific a name as possible, right? So if we say advanced combinatorics, that's the name of the worksheet. And so you're going to type in advanced combinatorics. Maybe you don't know how to spell combinatorics. It's fine. Just start typing. This is what's going to come up, right? And so immediately you find the PDF, drag and drop it, upload, done. And it's going to take a second, like, because, it gets a little slow at times. But that's what's going to go, down, right? Same thing. So if, let's say, I want you to send it to a different student. So I say, okay, let's send this to Terrence. So you're going to go inside of Slack. You can hit Control K to pull up this search feature. I'm going to type in Terrence. I'm going to make sure that I select, the channel instead of the, private message, obviously. So I've got Terrence's channel, and I'm going to say, hey, can you send Terrence the worksheet, advanced functions and graphs. So I'm going to type in advanced functions and graphs. So this comes up, and boom, I'm going to send it, upload, super fast, right? So that's how this whole thing works. When you're inside of Slack, just Control K to be able to search. Technically, if you just hover over this, you can also use Control F to get up to the search feature. So you've got a couple of Windows hotkeys. I believe it's the same on Mac. You just use the Command button and then K or F. But if you're on a Mac, just double check that and make sure that that works. And then on your first couple of classes, you are going to experience this quite a bit, so you'll have a lot of practice with it. Just remember that speed is key. It's really, really important to get these out to the students as quickly as possible, so that they can, keep working and keep learning. So yeah, that's all.